Welcome to today's What Will Move the Market show. I'm your host Prem. It's Tuesday, September 23rd, 2025, and here is everything you need to know as the markets open for today. Wall Street delivered another stellar performance on Monday, marking yet another day of record closing highs across all major indices. The Dow Jones climbed 123 points to close at 46,381, gaining 0.26%. The Dow's S&P 500 advanced 29 points to 6,694, up 0.44%, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq led the charge with a gain of 160 points to 22,631, rising 0.72%. Nvidia remained the day's standout, jumping nearly 4% as investors cheered its expanded AI partnership plans, while Apple rallied over 3% on stronger-than-expected iPhone 17 sales projections. Oracle also impressed, climbing more than 5% after announcing executive changes and upgraded AI offerings. Overall optimism around Federal Reserve rate cuts continues to drive markets, with traders pricing in at least 2 more quarter-point reductions before year-end. Infosys ADR closed at $17.15, showing a slight decline of about 0.29%. Wipro ADR ended at $2.79, down approximately 0.36%. HDFC Bank ADR traded at $35.06, declining around 1.1%. ICICI Bank ADR closed at $31.75, down 0.69%. Tata Motors ADR was steady at around 696 rupees per share, approximate USD equivalent needed. This reflects cautious investor sentiment around visa fee concerns impacting IT, while banking and auto ADRs showed moderate softness. Indian investors should watch visa-related developments closely as they continue to impact key IT and financial sector stocks. Asian markets opened with mixed sentiment this morning. Japan's Nikkei surged 1% to 45,493 after the Bank of Japan reassured investors about its gradual approach to reducing ETF holdings, calming fears from Friday's sharp decline. Hong Kong's Hang Seng declined 0.8% to 26,344. While Shanghai Composite posted modest gains of 0.2% to 3828. South Korea's Kospi and Australia's ASX also showed positive momentum. GIFT Nifty is trading at 25,280 levels, down 30 points from the previous close, indicating a cautiously negative opening for Indian markets, mostly due to the ADR weakness. Geopolitical tensions remain elevated, with Russian airstrikes reported near the Polish border and airspace violations in Estonia over the weekend. The EU unveiled its 19th sanctions package against Russia, including LNG import bans and restrictions on shadow vessels, adding to energy market uncertainty. Trump's H-1B visa policy dominance continues as the key market-moving story, with technology companies scrambling to assess the financial impact of the $100,000 per visa fee. The policy has sparked widespread criticism from tech leaders, though the White House clarified it applies only to new applications, not existing visa holders. Gold hit fresh record highs above $3,700 per ounce as safe haven demand intensified amid policy uncertainty and Fed rate cut expectations. FII flows turned negative, with foreign investors selling 2,792 crores on Monday, while DIIs remained strong buyers at 2,434 crores. The new GST rules have kicked in yesterday. RBI's September policy meeting expectations are building, with some economists suggesting a 25 basis point rate cut as the best possible option given benign inflation outlook. For Nifty 50, immediate resistance is positioned at 25,250. On the downside, support lies at 25,150, with a crucial zone at 25,000. A break above 25,400 could trigger fresh buying toward 25,500, while a fall below 25,150 may invite profit booking toward 25,000. Crude oil shows mixed signals with WTI trading at $62.30 per barrel, up marginally, while Brent crude slipped to $66.56. Geopolitical tensions provide some support, but concerns over global demand growth keep gains limited. Gold continues its record-breaking run at $3,694 per ounce internationally, while domestic gold prices hit fresh highs at 1,11,276 rupees per 10 grams. Silver also surged to 1,33,580 rupees per kilogram, benefiting from both safe haven demand and industrial applications. Base metals remain mixed as traders assess global growth prospects and Fed policy implications. For investors, this dip in IT stocks might present long-term buying opportunities, but patience will be key as sentiment stabilizes. Be cautious of this bearish sentiment primarily injected due to fall in IT. You may accumulate around 25,000 levels. That's your market wrap for this Tuesday morning. The interplay between global optimism and sector-specific challenges will define today's trading session. Stay tuned for the evening wrap and send in your questions through our social media channels. Trade safe, and let's see how the markets navigate these cross-currents today.